Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an animal coin hunt which has been designated ACH 45. There are only 4 coins in this hunt. The reason for that is that they all come from the same country. The first one we're going to start with is from 2011. They're all from the same year as well. The first one is a $5 or 5 Nandu coin. It has a mintage of 10,000. Here we have the coat of arms of Uruguay. On the reverse we have the value. The animal is a raya, which is like a smaller ostrich. And what's the other thing on there that we've got? Oh yes, you've got the value, the raya, and you've got the actual value, the actual coinage, which is Nandu or Nandu. It's written with a $5 or a dollar sign in front of it, but it's not actually a dollar. The second coin is a bimetallic coin. Again from the year 2011. That side shows the coat of arms of Uruguay. This is a $10 coin. It's sometimes referred to as a 60 peso coin as well. It has a mintage of 20 million, whereas the first one was only 10 million. It is a higher value coin. It's got $10 or 10 Nandu. Now we're unsure whether this is a mountain lion or a puma. I'm feeling it might be a mountain lion, although I'm not 100% sure. It seems a bigger cat than just a puma. I may be wrong. So some write-ups have it as a puma, some have it as a lion, so I'm not quite sure which one to take in. The third coin is a $2 coin or 2 Nandu coin. It has a coat of arms on this side and the year of 2011. On the reverse is a capybara or a big rat. You see them on rivers. You dare say if you go to a zoo you'll see this. This is is an animal that's quite well represented when you go around zoos. We also have it in the wild in this country. Some of them escaped. They were on a farm for some reason and escaped. So they have been found in the fens in the wild in East Anglia. Now, it's a bit like mink escaped from mink farms. I don't know why the capybara was being farmed, or whether. My feeling is that it wasn't a farm as such. It was more like a one of these wildlife sanctuaries / come and see the animals of the world in their natural habitat sort of thing, and they got out. Something like a wildlife park. And the last one, again we have the coat of arms on this side. Again it's from the year 2011 and it is a $1 or a 1 Nandu coin. This has a mintage also of 20 million, sorry. And you see the value, the actual currency, and the animal on it is an armadillo. 4 very beautiful coins. I think they may be UNC's uncirculated. I may be wrong, but they're in very good nick, so I think they're probably uncirculated. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? I would very much enjoy you doing that for me. Also, if you've seen a few of the videos, and could you please think about subscribing? I am trying to up my subscriber level again this year. I managed this, I'm recording this on the December 31st of 2023. I set myself a target of 250 last year and managed to get to 271 by the end of the year. I will be setting myself another target in a short while, and I will need your help if you haven't already subscribed to reach that target. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.